Okay, so now we are considering the next process, that is process 3. So I is equal to 3. So work is equal to available is equal to the previous value we have to consider here. Allocation of 3 is not equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Allocation of 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is 2 1 1, correct? So obviously it is not equal to 0, correct? So we are writing it as true. So make finish of 3 is equal to false. Go to step number 2. In step number 2 we are checking request of 3 is less than work anta check ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So what is request of 3? Observe here. What is request of 3? 100, correct? So it is less than 311, correct? So it is true. So go to step number 3. Step number 3, work is equal to work plus allocation of 3, correct? So we have to check what is allocation of 3. Allocation of 3 is 211, correct? So we have to add that one with the work. So what is the total value? 524. So 3 plus 2 5, 1 plus 1 2, and 3 plus 1 it is 4. And make finish of 3 is equal to true. So consider the next process now. Okay, so I will just update now. So I is equal to 4. So work is equal to available is equal to what is the value we got now? Previously, that is 524. So add that one here, 524, 524. And we have to check whether allocation of 4 is not equal to 0 anta check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, correct? What is allocation of 4? 002. So it is not equal to 0. Okay, so all the three things should be 0, then only we can say that particular process allocation is 0. Since it is 2 here, 002, it is not equal to 0. So I can easily write it is true. Make that process as false. So finish of 4 is equal to false. So go to step number 2. Finish of 4 is equal to false. We have to check request of 4 is less than or equal to work anta check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so first I will update the work value and we will check what is request of 4. What is request of 4? It is 002 alwa. So write that one, 002. So is it less than or equal to? Yes, it is true. So then go to step number 3. So work is equal to work plus allocation of 4 anta check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so 5 2 4, that is your work. So what is the allocation 4? It is 002 alwa. So write that one, 002. So add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Add this one, 5
to 6.
5 to 6, correct? Okay, so make that process as completed now. Finish of 4 is equal to true. So which process is remaining with me now in our system now? Process 4 is completed, correct? 3 is completed, 2 is completed, 0 is completed. Which is not completed here?
P1.
P1, correct? So consider that
P1.
particular process. So I will consider that one now. So again apply your deadlock detection. So make I is equal to 1 now. I is equal to 1. Work is equal to work available. So what is our available value now? New available value 526. So use that one, 526. Check allocation of 1 is not equal to 1 anta check ಮಾಡಿ first. What is allocation of 1? 200. It is not equal to 0, correct? So I will write it as true. Make that as false initially. Finish of 1 is equal to false. Check request of 1 is less than or equal to work anta check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is request of 1? What is request of 1? 202. Correct. So use that one. in your algorithm 202. Is it less than or equal to? Yes, it is true. So then go to step number 3. So check work is equal to work plus allocation of 1. Okay. So what is allocation of 1? What is allocation of 1?
200.
Correct. 200. So use that one in your algorithm. 200. So add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
726.
726. So make finish of 1 is equal to true. Okay. So now you have to stop. So whether all your processes have completed? Whether all processes completed? Finish
Yes,
of
sir.
1 is true. Finish of 4 is true. Correct? Here 3 is true. 2 is true. And here 0 is true. Okay. So what is your last step in your deadlock detection algorithm? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳಿ? What is the last step? If finish of I is equal to false ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Does any process is not completed in our problem?
No, sir.
So what does this indicates? It indicates our system is not occurred any deadlock anta artha. So there is no deadlock has detected in our system anta artha. That is what the answer you have to write. Okay. So I will just write here just for your reference. Okay. You have to write like this. Since all processes have finished our system has not encountered any deadlock. Like that you have to write. Okay, so that is the answer for your problem. Okay, so am I clear with this concept? Okay, artha aita illa? So this is the answer you have to write. So since all processes have finished, our system has not encountered any deadlock anta baribeku. If any of the one process is false agidre, then you have to write system has encountered the deadlock or system has detected the deadlock anta baribeku. Not encountered or detected any deadlock. So this is the answer for your problem. Okay. So is it clear to all of you? Everybody understood how to solve the problems? Okay. So one more time I will tell. So whenever in your problem, and one more thing, you observe this. How many resource type A you have? Please respond. How many resource type A you have initially? 7, correct? B 2, and C how many resource instance you have? 6. So 7 to 6, correct? So you should get the same value at the end of execution of all processes. 7 to 6, correct? So that indicates, so whatever the resources which the processes has requested, you have allocated all those resources. Okay, and they have completed all their executions. So once all processes have completed their execution, how many resources which you have initially, same resources you should get back. Okay, correct? 7 to 6, all the resources I have returned back anta artha. Okay, right? So whenever in your problem they have given the request column, then it is understood that you have to apply deadlock detection algorithm anta. Similarly, whenever in your problem, if they have given the max, column, then it is understood that you have to apply safety algorithm anta artha. That's what you have to remember while solving the problems. Okay, fine. Thank you. So let's end the today's session. So thank you for joining the today's session. I will share the today's slide for you, so you can refer that one and try to solve problems according to that. Okay. Let's end it.